Alright guys, so we're going to do a short video install on these $25 Amazon paddle extenders for the Mark 7, GTI, Golf R, all that crap. So we're going to go outside of my car and do that. I just want to do a short video with this because I don't think they're really worthy of a full video. So I got the 3M tape already applied, kind of haphazardly on this one, the downshift one. But we're going to go ahead and go toss these in the car. So let's go out to the GTI and do just that. Alright, so I got the Amazon paddle extenders. Here's the car. So I did get the downpipe installed and I'm working on that video, but for now we're gonna have to do with just this paddle video, and then following this will be the full downpipe video and all that kind of stuff. The car sounds insane. I may tease you guys a little bit with that once we get these put on. But anyway, we're now in the car. So this is of course my DSG equipped GTI. So they actually supply screws with this. I'm not bothering with them because I think they're just useless. The reviews say the same. So we're gonna pop these on and we'll come back to that. All right, and just like that, they're on and they look pretty good. I think there's definitely a acquired taste for some people with these. A lot of people do the ones that have like the holes in them. I wanted more of like a Mark 8 Golf R style paddle, and these definitely are closer to that, and that's what I wanted. So sounds about the same, really. Nothing really to note there. These are aluminum. They claim to be billet. I don't know if I'd trust that, but anyway, they're in the car. They look good, and that's all that matters. I wanted just nicer looking paddles, and these definitely do the trick. But anyway, guys, that's my short little install video. I'll probably toss in a downpipe clip just to tease you guys, and then we'll see the full downpipe install here in a few days. All right, take care, guys.